Kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun JuJuBe unboxing. I am super excited because I have in this massive box the new Tokidoki JuJuBe ANIMALINI 2.0. ANIMALINI is like one of the best Tokidoki prints I think they've come out with that's not a pastel, in my opinion. And it's just really fun. Like every time I go to the zoo or something like that, I want to bring that with me. So JuJuBe has come out with some new styles in this print that were not available in the previous 1.0. So I have a lot of those in this box and I can't wait to share them with you guys. And of course, I can't wait to see what my print placement is. You guys all know Donatella is my favorite print placement. So, well, her and the giraffe, and I can't remember if there is her and a giraffe in this one or not, because I know that for 2.0 they have changed a few of the scenes on the print, so I feel like it's got a little bit more pink in it. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna grab my scissors and get started. And if you guys want to shop JuJuBe with me for this release, it is available already. So I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you guys. You can shop through that link anytime. It helps support my channel. So thank you very much to everybody who does shop with me. Let's go ahead and get started. I do have a couple duplicates of things in here, and I'm only going to show you guys one of each because I think I got like 2 different duplicates for print placement purposes, of course. So here we go. As usual, I'm probably going to have to put this box down so that I can access everything. Oh, it's so cute. It's so vibrant. Ugh. I feel like there's definitely more of like a neon yellowy green. Look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. So many things. Let's go through. I think I'm gonna go through the B set first because that's really fun. I got 2 B sets for myself so I can pick print placement. So maybe I will look at both. Ooh, Donatella is on the front of this one. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up. So in the previous 1.0, I think I remember I have like 1 piece left of ANIMALINI 1.0 and it's a Starlet, I think. And I believe that print has like a tannish colored lining, whereas this one has like this really nice neon yellowish greenish colored zipper, so it really brightens up the print. This is so cute. Oh, and it's got new charms. Oh, I have Donatella front and center. She's missing her ears, but is that not so cute? I love it. Oh, and I've got Maz on the back. She's like my second favorite. So let's go ahead and see what the other pieces look like. Oh, I got Donatella on this one too. I got super lucky this time. I feel like I normally do get lucky with my medium set pieces. So cute. Oh, I love it. And there's the back of that one. Let's see if the small has her on it. That I would die. Oh my gosh, it does. This is so awesome, you guys. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. I love this side too because it has the zebra and the little safari guy. How cute is that? I am like super stoked about my print placement on my small. You guys know I use my small pieces the most. Like, I just love them. And this one, Permastash. I love it. I'm so excited. All right, so let's see what else I got in here. I got a Be Light. And I really wanted the Super Bee, but I can't remember if it wasn't available this time or if it was like a retailer special bag or something, but I was not able to get my hands on a Super Bee. So which means I had to get the Be Light, of course. Oh, this is so cute. I love how much pink there is this time around. How cute is this, you guys? So that's the front. And there's the back. I do have Donatella up here in the very top, and she does have her ears intact, so that's great. Let's open it up. This one has a cute little charm too. It's got like a snake with Max, the monkey guy. Cute. So this particular bag is the Be Light Plus, which means it comes with the light change pad as well. But this is the lining on this print. Isn't that pretty? It's like a neon yellow green, and then you have the green embossing on it as well. So, well, I guess it's not embossed, it's like printed on, at least for this particular bag. I love it. So cute. I'm loving everything so far. I feel like it's been a little while since they've come out with a print that I've just died over, and I'm loving this one. So, this print in this bag, I was thinking about giving it to my son Colton, who is home right now, and I hope he doesn't come down or see what I have here. I was thinking about giving it to him, but I don't know. Maybe I just want it for me. This is the Be Packed, and I have been dying for a Be Packed in Tokidoki for a while now for him. Do I want to share it? I don't know. It's really hard to let my boys use my Tokidoki. Is this not super cute though? I think he would look really cute at school with this. Currently he's using the highlighter yellow backpack, which I love for him because I can just see him from a mile away when I'm picking him up in the car line. So I don't know, I might just have him stay in that one. And I might just use this because this is really cute. The only thing, oh, well, I guess Donatella is right up here. I was gonna say the only thing is it's missing my print placement, but she's kind of peeking over the tag right there. So cute. Love that too. Okay, so this one, oh, maybe I should do some smaller things first? Let's see. These both look like they have the same print placement. I actually ordered 2 besties because I wanted a really good print placement. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this one though. Like I said, Maz is my second favorite. So, and she's front and center on this one with the elephants. Oh, that is such perfect print placement. I love this. Look at this, you guys. This is the bestie bag. It is in between the BFF and the mini BFF. It's adorable. I love it. I have a few of these in Toki prints, and they're just adorable. I love them. Let's take a look at the inside of this one too. This one also has a specialty zipper pull, and this particular one, I don't know if the other one has it as well, but it has Sandy. This is what the inside of the bestie bag looks like. If you guys could leave a comment down in the description below for me, letting me know if you want me to pack any of these up for you guys, I would love to make a video on that and pick the bag that has the most comments for it. And I would like to do that for you guys. So this is super cute. I love it. I love everything so far. I also got my mom this, and I got it for her whether she wanted it or not. She has quite a collection of mini Helixes. And she owns, I think she owns a Donatella one. But she likes to wear more plain ones because they're not as shouty. But when I saw that this was coming in a mini Helix, I wanted to get it for her. So she may or may not use it, but I got it for her anyway. So isn't that cute? It has a ton of pink on it. And there's the back. And on the very side here, you have Donatella. It's so cute. I love it. All right. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. I don't own this bag yet currently, so this is my first time owning this. This is the Sling. So I have their bigger fanny pack that I take on hikes and things like that. And that's in like Fantasy Paradise, I think is the print. This has Maz on the front. But this one is quite small compared to that one. So this might be nice for walking the dog with. Oh, I love this little zipper pull charm. This is really cute, you guys. How cute is that? Look at all the, I feel like there's a ton of tags on this bag. But it's super cute. I can't wait to open this. I haven't seen the inside of it yet. Oh, there's a little card holder. How cute is that? And there's a little key leash. You guys want to see me do a review on this one? I haven't done that yet. So cute. And there's like this one little loop here to hold the strap in place. That's so cute. I want to try that out on a walk with the dog. All right, on to the last bag, and that is the Dr. BFF. Here we go. Oh. I do have Donatella on the front. Here's my print placement. I'd also love to know, what is your perfect print placement on this print? The Donatella and giraffe have been my favorite from day one. Giraffes are one of my favorite animals, and then there's Donatella. I mean, like, they put the two of them together, and I love it. This is so cute though. I love the Toki prints on huge bags because you can just see so much of the print and it's just so much fun. And one of my favorite things about the Dr. BFF is for travel, there's like this slip pocket back here that you can put onto your suitcase when you're rolling through the airport. So I love that. I'm gonna open this up. Oh, I love all the straps inside. Look at this, you guys. Look at all the color. So cute. I just noticed too on the very bottom of my bag, I have my perfect print placement. So I have a change pad in here. This is a memory foam change pad. In my opinion, so much better than the light change pads. They're just a lot more comfy and stuff, but they do take up a lot more space in your bags. I've also got my backpack straps. And I've got my shoulder strap, which has Ma's print placement. And then I also have my stroller clips, which have this really cute little star detail right there. So, this is so great. I'm so glad that they came out with more Toki, especially like revamping, like recoloring, bringing back this print. I love it when they do recolors on my favorites. I'm curious to see what they're gonna do next. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. And I would love if you guys would shop the new Tokidoki JuJuBe ANIMALINI 2.0 with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you, and you can shop through that anytime. Thanks for watching!